This is my pickup truck. It's a 2001 Ford F-150. It has 55, just going on to 56,000 original miles, so very low mileage. It does have a new transmission. The previous owner put in a transmission because the truck, it's a 2001 and it only has 55,000 miles in it, and it had been sitting for a very long time, and there was just something wrong with the transmission, so he replaced it. Um, the original owner, as a little bit of a story here, was Robert Monks. And for anybody who doesn't know, he once ran for Maine governor. He was a very wealthy and influential person in business. He literally wrote the book on the importance of shareholder returns in companies. So that's the history with this truck. But basically, I'm going to get down here and see if I can show you what's going on. Um, right there. And then, yeah, that is my radiator core support. It's basically gone. This right here is just, that's just rubber. Uh, so I really don't know what's holding my radiator up right now. Maybe there's a little bit of material up in here. You can even see right there, my flashlight's shining on the rubber mount that's on the inside of the core. There's nothing holding it in. I mean, there's flakes of rust holding it. So I got to get this removed. This is an excellent truck, though. The frame is perfect. It's a completely dry engine. All the moisture that you see, like right here, um, this was the lanolin sealant I had put on last summer, and it's great stuff. So this this truck has to have oh some work done on it, and I'm going to be doing the work. So these front panels have to come off, the whole front end has to come off, and I basically have to remove this whole support for the radiator. Um, I'm not looking forward to it. Um, I just had a root canal last week, so I figure if I can live through that, I can live through this. So uh, I guess it's time to get working on it. That radiator core support has been ordered, along with some new mounts to the frame. So I'm ready to go, and just looking things over and trying to wrap my head around just how much work there is. And I pretty much have all the tools that I need. It's just going to take a lot of time to take this stuff off, and then um, everything that I've heard about getting this removed from the rest of the body, it takes time. There's a lot of spot welds to drill out. So yeah, but I got to do this before I can really work on my boat, because I need this to drive down to the coast and move my boat. So time to get going.